Hi boys and girls, today we're going to draw our large Laurel Burch cats on black construction paper. I'm going to draw my cat on white paper so that you can see it better, but you're going to follow all the same steps as I do, except you're going to use black construction paper. This is the cat we're going to draw. This is what it looks like when it's finished, except yours will be on black construction paper. But you're still going to use a pencil like me, and you're going to follow the same steps. So first of all, if you look closely on your black construction paper, you should have a curved line at the top right here that Miss Dalmy drew for you, so you can start your cat in the right place and you'll know how big to make it. And I'm also going to use these steps to kind of help me draw the cat. It might look a little different than these steps, but I'm going to use this paper to kind of help me make it like Laurel Burch, okay? So the second step is to draw the ears. So next to your curved line, pencil here, you're going to draw two angle lines. Make them tall, make them big, just like Miss Dalmy. These are going to be the ears, okay? Now we're going to do the face. The face is a lot like step number 1 on my paper here. It's a curved line. It kind of looks like the number 3 lying on its back. So what you're going to do next is you're going to draw two very large curved lines that meet up with the ears, like that. And that's the shape of your cat's head. Then at the top of this, the part of that curved line, we're going to draw a large letter V, which is another angle line. And then we're going to draw two vertical lines for the sides of the nose. But do not go all the way to the top of the head. Miss Dalmy left some space right here, and you need to do the same thing. Now we're going to draw the eyes. And if you look at your paper, it's like step 6. Now ours looks like this step 6. We're going to finish it. So we're going to put our pencil right here on the side of the nose, and we're going to draw a large curved line like that on the left side. Leave a little space right here, and then a large curved line on the right side. And then we're going to finish our eyes. We make two very large, they're almost like ovals or football shapes. And Laurel Burch draws her cat's eyes very large, so you need to do the same thing. Big, wide eyes. And then in the middle, you're going to draw an oval from top to bottom. Don't draw any circles floating around. Make sure they touch the top of the eye and the bottom of the eye, like Miss Dalmy did. And I'm going to add something to the eyes that doesn't have on the paper. We're going to add pupils in the middle. Circles. And then we're going to draw a little curved line from here to here for a mouth. And then our cat now looks like step number 7. Now we're going to draw whiskers. The whiskers on step number 8 are really straight diagonal lines. So you can make them straight like number 8, or you can make them a little curved if you want, like this. But draw 3 whiskers on the left. Make sure they're nice and long and they go past the cat's cheek. 3 on the left and 3 on the right. And then we're going to draw the cat's body. And this is where we make it a little different than the steps on here. So just watch me for these next steps. You're going to put your pencil on the side of your cat's cheek or mouth right here. And you're going to draw a curved line all the way to the bottom of your paper like this. All the way to the bottom. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're not going to draw legs. We're only going to draw the top of the cat's chest. So put our pencil on about the same spot. Here it is here. If I trace my finger, it's about the same place right here on the right side. And I draw a line all the way to the bottom of the paper. We're almost done. Now we're going to draw a curvy tail. So we're going to make it a little different than it is on the paper, but we're going to make it spiral. So I want you to put your pencil somewhere on the cat's, like the side of his body, here or here, and you're going to draw a spiral line. Okay? We also can call these cinnamon roll lines because they look like the shape of the center of a cinnamon roll. Now we're going to add one more little detail to make it more fun. We are going to draw some angle lines inside the ears. So what I want you to do is I want you to draw 2 angle lines, not triangles. We're going to leave them open. One on the left ear and one on the right ear. And then we're going to put our pencil at the bottom of the angle line here. And we are almost going to make a triangle, but we're not going to close it up all the way. We're going to draw a short line like this, and then a short line towards the inside. So see how it's kind of like a triangle, but not really. Do that on the left ear. Now on the right ear, put your pencil here and do the same thing. Straight line, a horizontal line, but don't close up the triangle, and then draw a diagonal line towards the top. Then you are finished with this step.